Your engine depends on one small part to keep dirty oil from causing serious wear, the oil filter, so choosing the right one matters more than most people think. Today, I'm ranking the best oil filters of 2026 with real research and testing. No fluff, just the best picks for synthetic, conventional, and everything in between. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 8, we've got the Bosch Premium. Now, Bosch is a name you trust in European engineering, and that reputation carries over here. The standout feature is what they call Filtech Media Technology. It's designed to capture and hold up to 14 grams of dirt and contaminants before they can circulate through your engine. That's not nothing. It also comes with a silicone anti-drainback valve, which is a must-have feature I'm going to be talking about a lot today. It makes sure your engine gets a supply of clean oil the moment you turn the key, instead of running dry for a few seconds. The high lubricity gasket makes installation and removal easier, and the metal spiral wound center tube adds serious internal strength. Where it loses points is compatibility. This one is heavily skewed toward Honda and Acura vehicles, plus some older Chrysler and Dodge applications. If that's your vehicle, this is a solid pick. If not, keep watching. At number 7, we have the Mann oil filter, a name that's absolutely massive in Europe, but flies under the radar here in the States. And I think that's a mistake, because Mann makes OE filters for a massive number of European and Asian manufacturers. What I appreciate about Mann is the engineering precision. Their bypass valves have clearly defined opening characteristics, which means oil flow is consistent and predictable. They offer a variety of filter media options depending on your application, and the combination of high dirt holding capacity with minimal pressure drop is exactly what you want in a filter. You don't want the filter restricting flow just because it's doing its job. The downside? If you're not driving a European vehicle, a BMW, Mercedes, Volkswagen, or Audi, this might not be the easiest fit to find. For those of you running German iron, though, bump this up your list significantly. Number 6 is the K&N Select HP10008. K&N built their reputation on performance air filters, and they've brought that same engineering mindset to oil filtration. The HP10008 is all about flow. It's specifically designed to provide exceptional, consistent oil flow to your engine, which matters most in high-performance or high-revving applications. The pleated synthetic blend media handles conventional, synthetic, and blended motor oils without any issues. The heavy-duty canister construction is something you can actually feel when you hold this filter. It's solid. They've also got a wrench-off design for easy removal, and it backs all of that up with a 1-year limited warranty. Where it falls slightly short compared to the top picks is filtration efficiency. It's designed to prioritize flow over ultrafine filtration. For a performance-focused driver, that's a trade-off worth making. For everyday commuters, some of the filters above this might serve you better. Right above it at number 5 is the K&N Select SO-10004 oil filter. And honestly, the fact that K&N lands 2 filters in the top 6 says a lot about how seriously they've approached the oil filter category in recent years. The SO-10004 takes a slightly different approach compared to the more performance-focused HP10008. Instead of prioritizing maximum flow above everything else, this filter aims for a more balanced combination of filtration efficiency, durability, and long-interval protection. You're still getting K&N's premium construction quality and extended protection rated for up to 20,000 miles, but filtration performance is stronger here. The SO-10004 works with full synthetic blend, conventional, and high-mileage oils, making it a great fit for both newer turbo engines and older daily drivers. For drivers wanting a durable, long-lasting, and versatile filter, the K&N Select SO-10004 is an excellent all-around choice. We're in the top 4 now, and this is where things get serious. Number 4 is the Purolator Boss, and honestly, this thing is overbuilt in the best way possible. Let me walk you through what's inside. The Smart Fusion Full Synthetic Media is rated for up to 20,000 miles and captures over 99% of dirt particles. And we're talking real-world dirt, not lab dust. The double helix metal center tube is a design I haven't seen on cheaper filters. It's specifically engineered for extreme pressure environments, towing, hauling, and off-roading. If you're working your engine hard, this is engineered for that. The PuroSeal gasket is made from ethylene acrylic, a premium material that creates a tight, leak-free seal and actually extends engine life by preventing the kind of slow seep that ruins paint jobs and garage floors. My only hesitation here is fitment. It's compatible with Chrysler, Ford, GM, Honda, Hyundai, Mazda, Mitsubishi, and Nissan. But you need to verify your exact model. If it fits your car, this is an absolute tank of a filter. The bronze medal goes to the Mobil 1 M1-110A. When you think about it, it makes complete sense that Mobil 1, the gold standard in synthetic motor oil, would also produce one of the best oil filters on the market. These two products are designed to work together, and it shows. The M1-110A is engineered specifically for synthetic oil intervals, meaning it's built to go the distance without degrading. Mobil 1 filters are consistently rated among the highest for synthetic fiber efficiency, and the build quality reflects the brand's commitment to premium performance. This is one of those filters where the name on the box actually means something. If you're already running Mobil 1 full synthetic oil, pairing it with this filter is the obvious move, and I genuinely recommend it. The only reason it's not higher is because the next two picks offer some additional specialized features that edge it out in specific categories. Number 2 is the Fram Ultra Synthetic, and Fram might be the most recognized name in oil filters, but this isn't your dad's orange Fram. The Ultra Synthetic is their premium tier, and it's a completely different product from the budget filters they're known for. The highlight here is the ultimate dual-layer synthetic media. That's 2 layers of filtration working together, rated for up to 20,000 miles of engine protection across all oil types. But what really sets this apart is the silicone non-drainback valve. Fram claims it offers up to 3 times the hot oil resistance compared to standard valves. That means even when your engine is fully heat-soaked and oil is thin and hot, this valve holds. That's significant for highway drivers and anyone in a hot climate. They've also added a sure grip texture on the outside of the canister. It sounds like a small thing, but if you've ever tried to remove a filter with oil-slicked hands, you know it's not. Smart design, strong performance, great value for a premium filter. And the number 1 best oil filter of 2026 is the Wix XP. Wix has been supplying OE filters to vehicle manufacturers for decades, and the XP line represents everything they know about filtration distilled into one product. The filtration media is next-generation synthetic blended with natural fibers, and critically, it's so structurally strong that it eliminates the need for wire backing. That's a manufacturing detail that most companies wouldn't even advertise, but it tells you everything about the quality of the media itself. The result is 99% filtration efficiency at just 23 microns. That's exceptionally fine filtration, which means it's catching particles that other filters on this list are letting through. It's engineered specifically for synthetic motor oils and severe service conditions, towing, stop-and-go traffic, and long highway runs. If you're pushing your vehicle, this is the filter that was built for that. And it's rated for up to 20,000 mile change intervals to match your full synthetic oil schedule. The fit and finish are precise, installation is clean, and removal is equally hassle-free. This is the filter I'd put in my own vehicle, and it's the one I recommend to you. All right, that's the 8 best oil filters of 2026 ranked. Quick recap, Wix XP takes the top spot. Fram Ultra Synthetic comes in at number 2, Mobil 1M1-110A lands at 3, and the Purolator Boss is our heavy-duty pick at 4. Links are in the description below with updated pricing. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.